So you may have heard this saying, cite Black women. And you may have even heard about the website of the Cite Black Women Collective. And I wanted to talk about why it's so important. And I wanted to give an example using intersectionality. We at the Intersectionality Training Institute talk about the importance of citing Black women all the time. But one of the best examples of this comes from this book. This is The Health of Lesbian, Gay, Bisexual, and Transgender People. And it was published by National Academy of Sciences in around 2001. And I was so excited about it, right? Because as you'll see here, intersectionality was listed as one of four cross-cutting perspectives for research on LGBT health. Perfect. Except there was one problem. When you flip to the index of this book, problem number one, you see this definition of intersectionality that I have to say is pretty much unrecognizable to the way that most intersectionality scholars talk about intersectionality. You'll see here a theory used to analyze how social and cultural categories intertwine. That could explain almost anything. And then when you went over to the reference page, you see the scholar Knudsen, or Knudsen, not sure how it's pronounced, cited in this paper that was presented at the 8th International Conference on Learning and Educational Media in France in October 2005. So I don't know about you, but in my doctoral training, and certainly the training that I give to my students in my courses, we learned that you don't cite conference papers. You cite peer-reviewed literature or you cite book chapters. But more importantly, by the time this book was published, we had Patricia Hill Collins's Black Feminist Thought. We had Kimberly Crenshaw's landmark papers and so many other Black feminist and intersectionality scholars writing about intersectionality. So when you hear this term cite Black women, it's not just a phrase, it's a really important stake in the ground where you are really acknowledging Black women's intellectual contributions to intersectionality and not erasing them. It's that simple.